Welcome, welcome, welcome. You're looking for the best way to study and haven't found one yet on the internet? Well, the search is over. You found the video. So, in this video, I'm going to be showing you how you can study effortlessly. Yeah. At this point, you might have heard a lot of people saying you gotta study effortlessly. But in this video, I'm gonna be telling you exactly step by step what you need to do to study smart and without studying hard. Now, let's get into this video. Number one, for motivation purposes, start with something simple. Start with something that will motivate you to go forward. Don't start with the toughest stuff because that will make you lazy. Number two, in as much as social media might be nice, find somewhere quiet and cozy to study. Avoid phones and distractions, please. Number three is you prioritizing tasks. Make sure you prioritize what is important and prioritize what is not very important. Number four, make sure as you are about to study, you've had enough sleep so that you don't end up dozing and think studying is very, very unnecessary. The other point is for you to take notes. Make sure you are taking notes. Whatever that is important that you find midway of studying, make sure you take points. Yes. Point number six, always space out your work. You don't want your work all mixed up. Make sure it is absolutely spaced out for you to remember stuff easily. Memory retention, very, very important. Point number seven, make sure your mind is free from anxiety, depression, or any of these related factors. These things distract you more than you actually see. So make sure as you are getting to your study room, get into this cozy, quiet place to study, you are very much legible for it. Your mind is very, very free. Otherwise, ha 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 ha. Point number eight. If you fail to find a cozy and quiet place to study and you do not know how to study with music in your head, well, I will let you know this. Study with music that only has tones. Don't study with active music. Study with sleeping, motivational kind like music. Do not make a mistake of studying with loud music. And just an additional one for you guys. Make sure as you're about to start studying, you are refreshed. If it means taking a shower, take a shower. You need to be as refreshed as possible. Don't just enter into your study mode as though somebody is chasing you. Make sure you're refreshed, your mind is free, and you're free from distractions. And that's it from this video, guys. Another one is coming, so make sure you like, you subscribe, and hit the notification bell for more and more of such content. Trust me, you want to hear this voice again, an angelic voice. And for the remarks, just take some time to comment what you liked about this video for coming back sick.